Did you know that Cinemaker is changing the way businesses, big and small, are making money? Mobile live streaming and recording professional-grade videos has never been easier, faster, or more affordable. But don't take my word for it. Check out what small business owners like David and Renata had to say.
I used to be an office administrator and trained myself up to be a fitness instructor, and then added the yoga into that.
Qualified as teaching English as a foreign language and taking that online. So this is why for both of us, video is going to be a really big part of what we do.
Right from when you introduced us to Cinemaker, the moment of downloading the app and press on here, and that was just like, oh my goodness, this is so fast and
it was so immediate and
so
easy, which is great.
Very much, very easy. And then I found that just on my little mobile phone, the sound quality is definitely far better with Cinemaker. The audio is great. I don't feel I need to raise my voice. Can you hear me? kind of thing. But no, it's been brilliant. Quite excited to use it, haven't we? Very much like, oh, I wonder what this does. Press that button. It's like, oh, what's that? We've been practicing since we've downloaded the app onto our
We've been playing, but I think with Cinemaker though, it is bringing another dimension, just to have more than one camera angle, just bring it alive.
For ages, I had neck and shoulder problems. What the Cinemaker has changed for me is I can see now that I'm not going to have any more shoulder and neck ache anymore, because I have found that once the camera was on the tripod like this, it would not move. And I would be in a certain position, yoga position, and then I would have to try and look. Can they see me? What can they see? But the beauty about Cinemaker now is that they see more. They don't just see this angle, they also see a different angle. So it's like, oh, I don't have to strain my body to kind of, can you see me? Kind of thing. Or do I need to move around? Because that's...
Also, I can, with being behind the camera, I can see that some moves look better from below rather than straight on. So I've got the choice of which camera to use. It's great. It's really making a difference, isn't it? It's a lot easier than I thought it would be, because I thought producing something like a video with different camera angles, we would have to do all sorts of things, but it's a matter of just pressing on the screen which one you want. Just do it. It's just so easy. It's fantastic.
And it's nice how it switches for the viewer, that angle, and then you see a different angle for however long. We've only recently started to use Cinemaker.
Considering we've only done one or two, we're really pleased with the first attempts that we've done, which is great.
User-friendly, fast, accessible,
professional.
Cinemaker is definitely up the game.
Find out more about Cinemaker by clicking up here, or how you can get Cinemaker now by clicking here.